Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos by me. So if you guys know me, you know that I love to tie my hair up. There's not a day that goes by that I don't tie my hair up. So I'm always experimenting with new hairstyles. You guys always ask about my hair and some of the hairstyles that I do. So I thought I'd show you guys some really easy
Baddie Hairstyles.
So if you would like to see how I created these baddie looks, then please keep watching. Okay, so this is like a super simple hairstyle. I feel like it's one of those hairstyles that literally take minimal effort, but can look really cute.
And really baddie.
Basically what I'm gonna do is just part my hair through the middle. Try and get that as straight as possible. Got a little bit of oily hair right now, but that's all right. This is why these hairstyles come in handy when your hair is a little bit dirty. I feel like for me personally, it works a little bit better as well. Get like a little part of the front. I try and make that as small as possible. So if you've got like side bangs, that might help navigating which bits you want to take. Okay, so I'd probably take maybe like this much on each side. And all you have to do is just plait these. Make them really small, just so you don't need to use any hair ties for the actual plait to hold. Okay, so then once you've plaited those, that is pretty much the whole look.
Two cute little braids.
Oh, what I gotta do to show these girls that I own them.
So you can go straight into the next look from here. So basically what I like to do is grab your tooth comb, just get half of your hair. So I go from like the top of my ear and kind of angle it so it goes upwards. So you don't grab too much hair at a time, just like that much. And grab it on both sides and brush it back. And just brush it all back. So you don't want to grab too much hair when you're doing that because you still want more than half of your hair out. Once you've done that, you just grab a hair tie and just tie it up. You could leave it at that. I like to get a piece of hair from the little pony like that and wrap it around the hair tie so it looks a little bit more
Bougie.
and you just pin it in place with a bobby pin. So that completes the next look. Super easy. I didn't even need to use hairspray because my hair is extremely
Oily.
and we're not going to talk about this bit of hair because it did snap when I dyed and
When I died.
it did snap when I dyed it blonde, so it's growing back, but that's okay. So this look I always do. If you know me, you know that I absolutely love tying my hair up. It used to be a lot longer than this, so when it was a lot longer, it looked a little bit more snatched, but that's okay.
We won't talk about it.
I like to tie my hair up in a really high ponytail. So all you have to do is essentially brush your hair all back up into a ponytail. You just want to brush it upwards. If your hair is like super clean, it might be a little bit harder to get all the hair up together. That's why I always say just use hairspray. Hairspray is your best friend when you do hairstyles like this. You just want to make sure there's no bumps through it. That's why I really like using this brush. I think it's called a paddle brush. I'm not too sure, but it gets through all your hair. Once you're happy with how high it is and how it looks, you just have to tie it up. I feel like this look not only looks
Super baddie.
looks really refined, really clean and put together. If you are going to use hairspray, I recommend using something that doesn't leave too much of a wet look. So the one that I like to use is the Tresemme 24-hour frizz control. So it's number 4. I actually don't know what the 4 means, but it is a long-lasting finish and it brushes out easily and it's fast drying. So I just like to get all of that through the front and brush my hair up. To further amplify this look, I like to grab a piece of hair that's in the ponytail and just wrap it around the base of the ponytail. So that is the next look. That is super simple. How many looks have I done? So what I like to do with this one is just part your hair again, just through the middle. So I like to grab 2 bits from the front, maybe less than halfway down, just like that. And just pull that back and you just tie that up. And then you want to go ahead and do the same on the other side.
Oh, guys, I'm literally sweating.
So that is another hairstyle that I think is super cute.
Is that highlight or sweat?
Okay, so the next look is super simple. You pretty much take both of these and turn them into little space buns. So the way I like to do it is just grab the ponytail, just twist it a little bit, and then you just wrap it around. Just make sure you don't do it too tightly. You don't want it to look too...
Like a shriveled raisin.
And then you just get a pin and then you pin it into place. And do the same on the other side. Oh my God, I struggle. Anyways, we're just gonna pretend that that one is super cute, just like the other one. I feel like this is a look that you can wear to festivals, for Instagram photos.
Still your man.
I never snitch on daddy. Never.
Looking like Mickey Mouse, that's great. Okay, so this look is inspired by
Kylie Jenner
or
Bella Hadid.
pretty simple. All you have to do, part your hair to the side of your choice. And for me, that's gonna be right to left. I don't like to go too far, then brush it down. And then what I like to do is just grab the front piece, not too thick, but just like that much there. So it's almost like a fringe, but a little horsey tail. So then we're gonna put up the rest of our hair in a ponytail. So just make sure you don't brush the fringe up, try and keep it in place. When your hair is at the height that you want it, you just go ahead and tie that up. And then once that's done, all you do with your fringe, you want to tuck it behind your ear. And then you just want to go ahead and pin that down at the back of your head, just to secure it in place. You can then go in and hairspray the rest of your hair so that it's all in place. But how cute.
Kylie Jenner who?
Then what you want to do is grab another piece of hair and wrap it around your ponytail. Okay, so this is a super easy look inspired by Gigi. I don't know what this look is called, but I feel like you could probably get away with wearing this dressy, casual,
Baddie.
Watch your man.
and pretty much anything in between. I just feel like it's really simple, really easy to do, and it just looks really nice. If you guys want to see a part 2 of my super easy
Baddie.
hairstyles, let me know in the comments below. If you guys liked this video, if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments below what you would like to see next. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe to my channel.